One nation, one vision, one identity. No nation is perfect. It need to be made perfect.
We wish you all a happy Republic Day.
Republic Day is celebrated on Jan 26 every year to remember the day when the Constitution of India came into effect. India was ruled by British over 200 years. India gained independence from the rule of British Raj after a very long struggle. Though India got its independence on 15th August 1947, the Constitution came into effect on Jan 26, 1950. This year, India will be celebrating its 72nd Republic Day.
Saffron indicates strength and courage of the country. White indicates peace and the truth.
Green indicates prosperity and fertility of the land.
Here are some interesting facts about Constitution of India.
The Constituent Assembly met for the first time in New Delhi on December 9, 1946, in the Constitution Hall, which is now a central hall of the Parliament House. The drafting committee was appointed for drafting a Constitution of India with Dr. B.R. Ambedkar as the chairman. The Constituent Assembly took almost 3 years to complete its historic task of drafting the Constitution for independent India. The Constitution was adopted by Indian Constituent Assembly on 26 November 1949. It came into effect on January 26, 1950. The draft of the Constitution was submitted to the Indian Constituent Assembly on November 4, 1947, over the course of 166 days, which was spread over 2 years. The 308 members of the Assembly met in the sections that were open to public and made few updates. Finally, on January 24, 1950, the Assembly members signed two handwritten copies of Constitution, one in English and one in Hindi. 2 days later, on January 26, 1950, history was made. Indian Constitution is the lengthiest written constitution in the world. On the same day, Dr. Rajendra Prasad became the first president of Indian Union. Republic Day is celebrated all over the India with lots of enthusiasm. In Delhi, magnificent parades are organized by regiments of Indian Army, Navy, Air Force, Police and Parliamentary Force of Rajpath. All the states of India showcases their culture's uniqueness by building beautiful tableaux during the parade.